and get too salty, and I am gonna mix with my hands. The smells in here. I can't. Fluff it up. Oh no! That one left us too. The cauliflower is trying to run away. What to heck? That's the second one. Look at, there's 3. That's 3. The cauliflower is like, it's not you, Kate, it's me. I think it's gonna be great, Alf. I really love roasting cauliflower and putting a little curry kiss on there. Just gonna bring everything together. Okay, BRB. Wash it on up. I think we've done really good for timing so far today. Like, it might seem like we've been taking a long time, but we've made everything from scratch so far. All washed up. Good to go. Okay, now seasoning. And then we'll get the butter chicken. I almost called it tandoori chicken in. We'll get the tandoori chicken in. Check this out. It is looking insane. Insane. Yeah, very aggressive cauliflower. Okay, it's gonna be like a wind tunnel. Let that baby simmer along. Okay, seasoning. Yeah, it salivated me too, actually. Sprinkle the salts so this doesn't taste bland. I can maybe do a little bit more oil poured over too. It's crazy how much it soaked that up. I felt like I put a lot. This is gonna like just taste so good. Gonna feel so good after eating this meal. Yum, yum, yum. So that can go to this side. I don't think we're gonna add it in just yet because like I said, it only takes about 15 minutes. Pop it over here. We'll let the butter chicken go. What about this? For 10 minutes, we'll let it go in there. And then we'll blend it and add the chicken and let that simmer out. So while we're waiting, we'll make our creamy cucumber sauce. You got a cheese delivery from Mom? What kind of cheese? I really like that. Okay, so done with all the spices now. I think I should just quickly clean this up because I have like eight different spices hanging out on my counter. That's a bit much. Have I ever worked with Vital wheat flour? Is it also known as Vital wheat gluten? I don't think I have, but I have heard of it. What are you making, Merked? So